cyounginyou. Whoo! So anybody who think lipstick is not my thing, I'm really bad with my lips. Whenever I put it, I look like a clown, so I don't put anything else. If you guys think this way, this video is for you.
I know exactly why you say that because I think the exact same thing. I have a small lips, it's not symmetrical, it's pigmented, always so dry.
So after watching this video, you will master how to use your lip products properly, not becoming a clown, plump, and pouty. Also, there are tips how to make the Korean gradient or ombre lips. Let's get started.
Step 1. Exfoliate your lips. I will start the lip care. Prepare lip balm. Vaseline is great too. What if you use a lip scrub for people who already have a bad lip condition? It will bleed. I never use it. It's too aggressive. I recommend lip balm in a jar rather than a stick. That's how you can get enough out of your fingers. If you only have a stick type, scratch off enough amount with a cotton swab and put it on your lips. It's because you need to apply a lot to get rid of dead skin cells. I'm going to apply it on my lips. Do it before you go to bed. There are a lot of wrinkles on your lips, but you have to put all the lip balm in between. I put it on like this, and in the morning, my dead skin cells get really swollen. If you rub your lips gently with your hands when brushing your teeth or showering, you won't bleed and dead skin cells will fall off so easily. The color is pretty and the durability is better when you apply the lip in this condition. You know you have to cover up your lip line when you do your lip makeup, right? You have to make white paper to apply the color. If you don't use this, you keep putting on dark colors again and again. If you put a light color on your lips, it seems like you only put on lip gloss. If the lip balm is still on your lips, press it with a beauty tissue to remove oil before applying it. Press down on the cushion and pat it on your lips. First of all, the lip color is properly covered. But if you look closely, how does it look now? There's a foundation stuck between the wrinkles. I will apply the lip product just right here. The color became dull because it was mixed with a base. Originally, it was baby pink, but it came in a completely different color. The problem gets worse over time. The foundation on the lips and the saliva and lip products mix while talking, causing the lips to mess up. What should I do then? Apply concealer or foundation to the lip line. You don't want to cover your entire lips from the beginning, but apply it mainly on the lip line. If you have a lot of pigmentation on your lips, use the amount only with a leftover inside on your lips. We are finally ready to put the lip color. Step 2, choose a lip liner or lip pencil that is most similar to or slightly darker than the lip color. You can use matte lipstick or tint instead of a lip pencil. What if I choose a lip pencil that is too dark than my lip color? My lips look too dull like the right side. The left side looks more natural and vibrant. Hold the lower line of the center of the lips. I also mark the left and right ends of the lips. The feeling that the lips are small comes from being small and narrow like Betty Boop or Tweety. You have to give volume. Make a line as if you are extending it gently from the center to the end of the mouth. It's a guideline, so you can be bold. Start from the center for the upper lip as well. Make the cupid bow naturally. Gently inflate from the end of the mouth to the center. If you put the lip pencil at a right angle, it will irritate your lips too much, so lie down and apply it gently. I recommend a matte texture for the base lip that I apply on the bare skin, even when creating gradient lips or ombre lips. Because my lip color doesn't reflect and comes up on top of it, I can make it into the color I want, and it's also effective to match the unbalanced shape of my lips. The only downside is that it's hard to apply if your lips are too dry. So I will make sure to use the lip care that I told you. Your lips definitely become plump and the overall color has been corrected. Step 3, after applying it as a base, apply only the inner half of the glowy red tint. I used my finger to blend it out because I was afraid it might get too much on my tip. Due to the characteristics of the matte lip that was applied at first, it builds up as it is laid out beautifully. It was awkward when I put on lip liner only, but when I put on the point color, the entire face looks much brighter and more natural. Step 4. I want to make a TikTok lip here. Then you can put the center gloss on it. It's a glossy skin tone. I like it because it's not sticky and minty. When it comes to makeup, it's all about the balance. If you have big eyes like me, the proportion of your lips is relatively small compared to your eyes. So I recommend you to slightly overdraw your lips and add gloss on them. Then your face will look smaller and your lower jaw will look narrower, which makes you younger. What if the expanded lip line is awkward even after you're done? If you swap it past the outline will smudge naturally, making it look natural and neat.
You guys pretty much excited to try new technique on your lips? My channel is not that huge, so if you guys just leave, you cannot find me again. So subscribe and then thumb up. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the video I post every single week. And any requests, anything you wanted to see, let me know. It was my birthday, so I got this flower from my sister-in-law. So adorable. I was walking like a Central Hall with this, and there's so many of like the foreigners, like they're like, because my husband was next to me, and maybe people think, oh, that is the romantic guy, but it wasn't him. It was his sister. So I love it so much. Anybody come to my studio, we'll probably take a picture together. Soon. It's gonna be a photo zone right here. 감사합니다, 형님. Thank you so much. Korean people, we love cute stuff. So hope you guys have a great week, and thank you so much for coming today, and I'll see you guys in next week. Bye! 안녕!